Welcome to this channel, and this video is about how to create a Facebook page. Now, if you want to grow and succeed on Facebook and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to set up a Facebook page. And on your own page, you need to come to this top right corner and click this plus button, then select page on this drop down menu. And on this next page, on this left hand side, you need to enter your page name, then choose a category or categories that describe what your page represents. And below here, you need to enter a description showing the purpose of your page. And on this right hand side, you can preview the page to see how it will look like on desktop and mobile. And after all these, you need to click this create button to have these additional sections where you can add a profile photo and a cover photo that represent your page. And after this, you can again preview your page before clicking this save button. Now on your page, you can connect your page to WhatsApp by just adding a phone number. You can also add a username, edit your profile photo and a cover photo, and also add one or more of these buttons. And on this section, you can always use all these features to explore and fine-tune your page, and you can also promote your page using these features. In addition, you can use this button with your profile photo or this other button here to switch to your Facebook account, groups, or other pages. Moreover, you can set up a shop on your page and describe your page further and invite friends to like it. And on this same section, you can also create ads, edit your page, create posts, and see the page insights. And on this left hand side, you can use all these tools to manage your page. And below here, you can edit your page info. And if you are creating a business page, you can add things like contact information, location, service area, products, and hours of operation. And still below here, you can change your page settings on all these sections. And if you want to delete your page, you need to click this general section, then scroll down to this option to remove your page. Now this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.